world. He doesn't want to spend $1 on anything. Right? Do you remember he had this book where he would try and live off $1 a day and he'd buy like a 17-cent banana? And even in the
he
list.
did that on his mission.
So he did this like, I don't know, 15 years ago or whatever. And even in the little list of what he purchased was the book.
My book to be cheapened.
Yeah. It was like, cost of book, $1. Something so funny. So anyway, they went down to the wedding, and I guess they had to stop at a hotel. And they got a hotel room.
Our wedding.
Which my dad is so cheap